सगळे जीवरक्षक आसा ते GTDC खाला येवचे अशें म्हजें वैयक्तीक मत आसा। सरकार दृश्टीक पगार दिता आनी दृश्टी जीवरक्षकांक पगार दिता। हांगा मदलो मनीस कित्याक असो प्रश्न मंत्री लोबोवन केला। जर जीवरक्षक GTDC खाला आयले तर सरकाराक तांकां पगार दिवपाक सोंपें जातलें। दर 11 म्हयन्यांनी हें कंत्राट रिन्यू जातलें आनी दर वर्सा जीवरक्षकांचें आंदोलन जाता तें जावचें ना। ह्या संदर्भात अर्थमंत्र्या कडेन उलोवणी करतलो म्हूण मंत्री लोबो उलयला। RDX गोवा खातीर पर्राच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Drishti lifeguards have got the bad end from the particular agency, and they were asking for that agency should be brought under government.
I am always of that opinion that GTDC चे अंडर हे सगळे लायफगार्ड येवचे कित्याक आमचे गोंयकार भाव जे आहा तांकां आतां सगळे डिपार्टमेंटांनी सॅलरी दिता। गव्हर्मेंट गिव सॅलरी टू दृश्टी गिव सॅलरी टू लायफगार्ड। हे मिडलमॅन कित्याक हेजेर प्रश्न आहा। सेकंडली जे लायफगार्ड टावर्स आहा सगळ्याक लायफगार्ड टावर्स आर बिल्ड बाय गव्हर्मेंट मनी। जेटस्की आसून any equipments of the lifeguards, everything is purchased by the government, not by Drishti. So Drishtik आमी एक खंय तरी पैसे दिता to manage all this thing. They are management agency and they recruit the labor and give us to the government. Government can take the whole lifeguards under GTDC and GTDC can directly pay them. Whoever is not up to the mark, this is purely on contract basis, renewable contract every 11 months. Whoever is not working properly, the other person should get a chance. Ye aspak hai. And government can also take the help of any of the agency, can put up a tender to train them. Training government and bangodin padpak pan. Government is only to recruit the people and give them salary. Training is given by XYZ company and pay them that for the training cost. वर्साक एकदा ट्रेनिंग दियो on lifeguard आणि सगळे equipment governmentan घेवप आणि तेणी manage करप. And I feel that direct relationship with the government and the lifeguard should be there.
The minister, the CM.
I will talk to the finance minister of the state, the CM, that all these years these boys are working under Drishti. They are not happy. So that every year there is a strike. Every year there is a strike. For non-payment, for something else. चालू दा strike. म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी end जावपाक जाय. And government is giving salary to the applicant or to the boy or a girl who is working in lifeguard agency. They should get direct salary from on contract basis, purely on contract basis. अशी पॉलिसी जावपाक जाय.